Welcome back students to our online platform, that is our school's YouTube channel. So again we are ready with today's video. This video is for class 6 and the subject is maths, and we are continuing the same chapter, that is chapter number 3, and the name of the chapter is knowing our numbers. In this, the exercise 3.3, 3.1 and 3.2 we have already completed and we have already discussed. If you are having any doubt, then you can message us or you can even call us. Now we will start exercise 3.3, question number 1. The numbers are given like 128. So the columns are given. In the columns it is written 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, not 7. After 6 there is 8, 9, 10, 11. And you are supposed to state there in that table whether these given numbers are divisible by those numbers or not. For that, to do that question, we should know the divisibility rules. So the divisibility rule of 2. For the divisibility of 2, we are supposed to see the ones place. Suppose 598 or 599 or 600 or 610. So we have to see the ones place. If at ones place the numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If these numbers are there at the ones place, then we can say the numbers are divisible by 2. If 9 is there, so 9 is not there in these numbers, so this is not divisible by 2. Not divisible. This is divisible. 8 is there. This is 0, 0. That's why the numbers ending with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are divisible by 2. Now for 3, the divisibility rule of 3. Divisibility rule of 3. For 3, if any number is there, suppose 198. So what we have to do? We have to add the digits. 1 plus 9 plus 8. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 18 comes in the table of 3. Hence, if the number we get after addition is divisible by 3, then we can say the number is divisible by 3. Means if adding the numbers we get 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, like these numbers which are divisible by 3. When we get the sum after adding the digits, then we can say the number is divisible by 3. Now for 4, the divisibility rule of 4. First of all, if any number ends with 2 zeros, if 2 zeros are there, at last 2 zeros are there, then the numbers ending with 2 zeros are divisible by 4. That is the one thing. Second thing, if 2, 1, 2, whether it is divisible by 2, so we will check. No zeros are there, so first rule is not applicable. So what we will do? We will see last 2 digits. If last 2 digits are divisible by 4, then we can say the number is divisible by 4. 212. In 12 comes in the table of 4. Hence 212 is divisible. And 213. 13 doesn't come in the table of 4, that's why it is not divisible by 4. After that, the divisibility rule of 5, that is the easiest one. Divisibility rule of 5. For divisibility rule of 5, the number ending with 0 or 5, suppose 100 or 105 or 155 or 162 or 174. So the numbers ending with 0 or 5, these are divisible, and the number ending with other numbers are not divisible. फाइव से डिविजिबल वही होंगे जहाँ पे वंस प्लेस पे आइदर देयर इज 0 और 5, 0 और 5 होगा तभी डिविजिबल होगा, अदरवाइज डिविजिबल नहीं होगा. नाउ द डिविजिबिलिटी रूल्स ऑफ 6, द नंबर्स विच आर डिविजिबल बाय 2 एज वेल एज बाय 3. जो नंबर हमारे 2 से भी डिविजिबल हैं और 3 से भी डिविजिबल हैं, दोज नंबर्स विल बी डिविजिबल बाय 6. सो 6 का कोई हमारे पास स्पेसिफिक रूल नहीं है डिविजिबिलिटी का, हमें ट्राई करना पड़ेगा 2 से और 3 से. वो 2 से भी डिविजिबल है, 3 से भी डिविजिबल है, देन वी कैन से द नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 6. आफ्टरवर्ड्स वी आर सपोज टू डिस्कस द डिविजिबिलिटी रूल ऑफ 8. For 8, one rule is that if the number ends with 000, 000 are there, then we can say these numbers are divisible by 8. The same rule is there as 4. For 4, 2 zeros are required. For 8, 3 zeros are required, or otherwise like this number is there. So either we will see the 3 zeros are there, 3 zeros are not there. So we will take the last 3 digits. 342 is divisible by 8, 8 4 ja 32. If we take 352, that will be much more easy to understand. So 3 2 4 ja 32, it is divisible. That's why we can say that 1352 is divisible by 8. For 8, 2 rules are there. Either the number should end with 3 zeros, or the last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. For 9, the same rule is there. As for 3, we are supposed to add all the digits of the number, and if the sum of the digits of the number is divisible by 9, then we can say that the number is divisible by 9. For 10, if the number ends with 0, not 5. For 5, we are saying that number should either ends with 0 or 5. For 10, the number should end with 0. If the ones place the 0 is there, then we can say the number is divisible by 10. So now for 11, important rule is there for 11. Suppose 1 4 1 4 or 1 4 1 3 3 1. Suppose this is the number. So what we will do, we will start from right hand side. First means odd place, even place, odd place, even place. So we will add the digits, numbers at the odd places and even places separately. So even पे क्या है हमारा 1 plus 3, that is 4. odd पे क्या है हमारा 3 plus 1 is equals to 4. If and then we will subtract e minus o, that is 4 minus 4. even minus odd जो हमारा सम करके आया डिजिट्स को, उसको हम फिर सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, that is 0. तो वहाँ पे या तो 0 आएगा या फिर 11 22 33 means either 0 or the number which is divisible by 11. If we get that, then we can say the number is divisible by 11. यहाँ पे हमें 0 मिला है means it is divisible by 11. अगर यहाँ पे 1 मिलता it is not divisible, 2 मिलता तब भी नहीं होता, 10 मिलता तब भी नहीं होता. If 11 comes then it is divisible. So we should check that 1 3 3 1 divided by 11. 11 1 जा 11, 2 3 4 11 2 जा 22, then 1 is remaining, then 1 11 1 ja 11, hence it is divisible. So we can do like this. There is no need to calculate, we can calculate in our mind as well. The sum of the digits at the odd places and even places, and afterwards we are supposed to find their difference. If the difference is either 0 or the multiple of 11, then we can say that the number is divisible by 11, otherwise it is not divisible by 11. So like this you are supposed to solve the question number 1. You are not supposed to make the table, you are supposed to solve like a question. Suppose 128 is there, first part, first question, first part 128. So first thing we will start with 2. So at the ones place it is 8, means 4 2 0 2 4 6 8. So divisible by 2, by 2. Then for 3 we will check 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 2 11. 11 doesn't come in the table of 9, that's why not divisible by 3. Then by 4, 28 comes in the table of 4, that's why for 4 we will see at the last two places, if the last two places we are having zeros, then it is divisible by 4, or the last two places are divisible by 4, then again the number will be divisible. So 28 comes in the table of 4, hence we can say divisible by 4. For the 5, here it should be 0 or 5, so here is 8, so not divisible by 5. For 6 the number should be divisible by 2 as well as by 3. ये 2 से तो divisible है but 3 से नहीं है, means it will not be divisible by 6, not by 6. Now after 6 there is 8. For 8 we should have at the last 3 places 0, so that is not the case. So now 3-digit number is there. For 3-digit number there is no specific rule for divisibility test of 8. We have to divide only. So 8 1 ja 8, 4 is remaining 48, 8 6 ja 48, so it is divisible by 8. Now by 10 it is not divisible, because for 10 the ones place should be 0, so not divisible. Oh, before we have to check for 9. 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 2 11, doesn't come in the table of 9, 11 doesn't come, that's why not divisible by 9. Then 10 not divisible by 10, because ones place 0 is not there. For 11, 8 plus 1 9, at the odd place 8 and 1, 8 plus 1 9, and here is 2, 9 minus 2, that is 7, so that is not 0 or multiple of 11, so hence it is not divisible by 11 as well. So like this we have to solve the questions. You are not supposed to prepare the table. I am telling you again, you are not supposed to prepare the table. You are supposed to attempt the question like this. You are supposed to write the points by which this number is divisible and by which number this number is not divisible. At the same time you can solve the question number 2. Using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 4 and 8. ये हमें चेक करना है. थर्ड क्वेश्चन में डिविजिबिलिटी रूल ऑफ 6 वी हैव टू चेक वेदर द गिवन नंबर्स आर डिविजिबल बाय 6 और नॉट. फॉर 6 वी आर सपोज टू चेक द डिविजिबिलिटी बाय 2 नंबर्स 2 and 3. जो नंबर 2 और 3 दोनों से डिविजिबल होंगे, दोज नंबर्स ओनली विल बी डिविजिबल बाय 6. आफ्टरवर्ड्स इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 वी आर सपोज टू चेक द डिविजिबिलिटी ऑफ 11. So for the 11 we are supposed to use that odd even method, and we are supposed to check the difference between them. If the difference is 0 or the multiples of 11, then we can say the number is divisible by 11, otherwise no. So up to question number 4 you are supposed to complete today only, and that is your homework. And again, if you are having any doubt, then you can message us or you can even call us, and tomorrow we will be ready. If any problems are there, then we will solve it out, otherwise we will start the next question. Thank you very much.